The brand new American Express Centurion Lounge in Seattle SeaTac Airport is finally open in 2023. After some major upgrade and renovation at both the inside and outside of the airport terminal buildings, and Amex seized its opportunity to expand and upgrade their old Centurion studio, which was only a third of the current Centurion Lounge with the size of 14,000 square feet large and can accommodate over 400 guests. I'm sure you can squeeze in more people if it wasn't because of the fire safety. The lounge is located on level 2 in the central terminal. You can access the lounge with the elevator or use the stairs. I choose the former. Staying true to Centurion Lounge's unofficial tagline, if it's not busy, it's not a Centurion Lounge. Well, I hope you know I'm just kidding. The entrance area is really well lit, with tons of natural light coming in from the panoramic view of the airport. This is also where the bar is located, and this fine light decor really sets this lounge apart from other Centurion lounges. This particular Centurion Lounge has its well-being themed cafe, from smoothies to sandwiches, and true to Seattle's culture, coffee. Definitely my favorite part of this lounge in the morning. Yes, morning only, cause I'll be at the bar in the afternoon. The main buffet section is located just past the cafe. We will take a deeper look later. There are washroom and shower room facility here on the left, but very limited. I think there's only one shower room there, so only use the shower if you really have to. More sitting options past the buffet section and washroom. Since this lounge is always busy, don't count on this section that is furthest away from the entrance to be less crowded. It's not. Of course, they have an artwork made with coffee beans. Seattle is the birthplace of Starbucks after all. The afternoon food options look mediocre to be honest, but I did hear good things about their breakfast. I heard they have some epic French toast here. I'll definitely have to come back in the morning next time. As mentioned earlier, lots of natural light for the lounge from this panoramic view of the airport. Not a bad spot to pass time.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
If you choose to enter or exit with the stairs, this is how it looks like. Overall, the new Centurion lounge in Seattle is pretty good. Nice design and good amount of space, and it's really lit. Unlike some Centurion lounges out there, I'm looking at the one in LAX. There's also another lounge in Seattle that I was very impressed with, the flagship lounge of Alaska Airlines in the North Terminal. I'll put that link in the description. With that said, more lounge walkthrough coming up. Until then, bye for now.